This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, welcome to Rajan Lab. Today we are going to discuss about the business process model. As you all well aware about, as far as the role of a business analyst itself is concerned, apart from understanding the requirements and all everything, understanding about the business process model is also something essential and important to understand it. Because whatever the solution being a business analyst are we going to provide is an integral part of the business need followed by the kind of target what a customer wants to achieve in future. Hence, it is always essential for us to understand how this process is connecting with different business activities, which will provide us the significant business outcome and all everything is all about. Whichever the example are we taking, whatever the solution are we going to provide, we must ensure that in what way those requirements and all everything with connecting with other things, everything should be known here. So if you see in a high level note in reference to the business process model, whatever the functionalities are we going to develop, either these functional requirements, something relating to the application development, where we need to understand when we are implementing this, we need to understand the processes which are connecting with different things. Either these functional requirements and all everything will be connecting with data, because wherein here we need to manipulate the data, wherein to extract the information from the database, or else if you want to update the information in the data and all everything, so this data will be connected here. Apart from that, there are multiple applications uses in the application development. Different applications will be there in order to manage their business activity and all. Different applications will be used, but of course make sure these applications must be interconnected, because these applications are not standalone or separate on its nature. So implementation of these applications is also essentially important. At the same time, what are the different locations where these applications were running is also essentially required. At the same time, technology plays a vital and important role, as in when we see what kind of technology are we using, what kind of systems in terms of managing these technologies and all everything is also needed. Because earlier we used to have some legacy systems in the beginning days, standalone applications. Later on, those applications will be converted into client server applications, web applications, all that stuff. Afterwards, remote business applications, all that. Now, whatever in the present scenario itself is concerned, it's completely focusing on the cloud application and the cloud technology. That's how the transformation has been taken place nowadays in reference to the business model, all that stuff. So understanding about the technology, either in reference to the cloud environment by considering the present situation into an account, as far as the industry requirements itself is concerned, is what we need to see. Apart from that, there are the different type of applications, as in when I said, multiple applications will be involved in it. Followed by this, we must be understanding about the structure of the organization, how the structure of the organization is evolved in it, and how this organization structure flow, process and all everything will be taking into an account, should also be taking into consideration. So based upon the structure of the organization, the kind of applications we are using, the kind of technology we follow, everything will be interconnected and interrelated here. Moreover, apart from all that, there is one more thing which we need to understand about the business rules, because business rules are the kind of decisions what any enterprise take in order to make their business decision making much easier and clear, transparent, because whatever they want to reach and whatever they want to perform, they need to have some business rules for sure. For example, whatever the activity or a business model we are performing, there are some rules and regulations which they have to be defined. So unless until if they are not defining the business rules and all, performing an activity would be it will be much confused, right? So that's what majorly it focuses on. So understanding about the business model from the perspective of a business analyst, which majorly focusing on understanding about the series of activities which are connected, interconnected. Either it could be from the application front, or it could be from the technology front, or it could be an organizational front, or it could be relating for data, or it could be the location wise. Majorly, apart from all that, understanding about the rules of the business is also essentially required. So if you know that, so we will be understood about the kind of objective goal and as well as the vision what client wants to achieve in future. So based on that, whatever the solution are you going to provide for the requirements of the customer, which will be much useful to them, and it will be highlighted there as well. So this is all about the business process model. Thank you.